bag video. I recently switched to a backpack because my shoulder bag was dragging down and it was so heavy and it was giving me like really bad back problems, like really bad. So I switched to a backpack and it seems to have helped my back problems. It just means I can carry a bit more stuff, which ironically doesn't hurt as much as carrying a shoulder bag. So we'll start with the bag. This is a Wenger Synergy Swiss Gear backpack. It's like 30 litres main compartment plus a second compartment and an admin pocket and a laptop pocket and a gadget pouch and then 2 side pockets and some elastic side pockets and a tiny front pouch. So this is all the stuff I carry. We're going to load this up now. So in the admin pouch I carry 2 notebooks just in the zipped compartment here. Plenty of microfiber cloths, some labels for labelling film canisters, a few pens. There's a multi-tool pen there with a ruler on it and that, so that just goes in that bit there. Some Burt's Bees chapstick, delicious. That goes in the pen pocket there. My EpiPens, of course, duh. Always got my EpiPens. Move this forward a bit. Pair of sunglasses there. A film leader retrieval tool. 2 rolls of film. And some duct tape. Oh, and SD cards. So that all fits in the admin pocket there. Ta-da! In this front pocket I just keep the waterproof cover for the backpack. It's not the waterproof cover, it's a waterproof cover, but it works perfectly. So in this sort of secondary pocket here I have my deodorant, a couple rolls of tissue, a couple packs of tissue, a clear poncho, a sanitary towel in case my wife doesn't have one, Kindle, lots of books on that, so that just slots in there, medicine, lots and lots of pills in there, all my prescription, power bank, power lead, sorry, charger, a torch, a pair of fingerless gloves, a beanie and a buff. This is not packed well because I'm not thinking about it, and a co-op bag. That's all that goes in that pocket there. Now in the main pocket I keep a Quechua sort of camera bag, camera organizer thing in there with my EOS 100D with a 50mm lens and a 24mm lens, and that's all I keep in there, just quick access to that. Obviously there's lots of space in there for clothes and stuff in case I go further afield than Manchester. In this sort of gadget pouch here I keep a point and shoot film camera, so at the minute that's the Olympus Muse Zoom, nice little camera, really sharp, and a digital point and shoot. This is a nice CCD sensor, so that's trendy nowadays, so I keep that in there. In the laptop pouch I keep my external hard drive in the sort of net bit here. The netted bit here also contains, wait for it, a wireless mouse, so that goes in there. Then the actual laptop slides into the thing there. The switch goes on top of that, and slowly zippy uppy. Oh, you know what I've forgotten to do? Forgotten to put the batteries where they belong. So these batteries here, they go in the net pocket in the main compartment here, along with a load of other loose batteries and a transfer cable for the camera. So there's just a load of crap in there. Loads of batteries for all sorts of reasons. Then there we go. Then in the side pouch goes an umbrella, and in the side pocket goes a tripod. There we go. And that's a good 3 or 4 kilograms. But yeah, it all fits, and it's all a bit snug, but it works well. I usually have the battery bank in there. Just unplug that in there. Usually have that in there as well, in the gadget pouch. But that's charging at the minute. So yeah, what do you think of that? Yeah, it serves me well. It's good enough. It's got everything I need for a day or two out, you know, an overnighter. Stick some clothes in the main pouch there. That's an overnight bag. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.